What if I told you that right now, some of the most powerful companies in the world are trading for less than the cost of a dinner date? And while most people ignore these hidden gems, smart investors are quietly buying them up because the next market boom could turn a $50 stock into 200 or more. Here's the truth. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But today, I'm going to show you 5 of the best stocks trading under $50 that could deliver massive returns in the years ahead. So grab your notebook, because stock number 5 might surprise you the most. Stock number 1, Ford Motor Company, ticker F. Ford is more than just trucks and SUVs. They're making a massive push into electric vehicles, with the Ford F-150 Lightning and Mustang Mach-E leading the way. While Tesla gets all the headlines, Ford has the manufacturing scale and dealer network to dominate. And at under $15 a share, Ford gives investors a cheap entry into the EV revolution. Plus, they pay a dividend, which means you earn money while you wait. Stock number 2, PayPal Holdings, ticker PYPL. PayPal was once the king of online payments. And while the stock has been beaten down in recent years, the business remains strong. Think about it. E-commerce isn't slowing down. And millions of people still use PayPal and Venmo every single day. At around $60 just a year ago, PayPal looked expensive. But now, trading under $50, it's a bargain for anyone betting on the future of digital payments. Stock number 3, SoFi Technologies. SoFi is the new face of banking for Gen Z and millennials. They offer student loan refinancing, credit cards, investing, and even mortgages, all in one app. This is not just another bank. It's a tech-driven financial platform with millions of users, trading around $7 to $8. It's one of the cheapest growth plays in fintech. If SoFi continues to expand, this small stock could deliver big rewards. Stock number 4, Nokia. Remember Nokia phones? They were everywhere in the early 2000s. But today, Nokia isn't about phones. It's about 5G. The company provides the infrastructure that powers next-generation wireless networks across the world. As 5G adoption explodes, Nokia's equipment will be in higher demand. At under $5 per share, Nokia is one of the lowest-priced stocks on this list, but it could be a long-term sleeper. Stock number 5, Intel Corporation. Here's the surprise. Intel is one of the world's biggest chip makers, and while their stock used to be over $70, today it trades under $50. Why is this huge? Because AI, cloud computing, and advanced chips are the future. And Intel is investing billions into new factories to catch up with NVIDIA and AMD. Buying Intel under $50 could be like buying Amazon when it was down in the early 2000s. It's a bet on America's comeback in semiconductor dominance. So let's recap. The 5 best stocks under $50 right now: Ford, PayPal, SoFi, Nokia, and Intel. Each of these companies has real potential, and at today's prices, they're accessible for everyday investors. But remember, always do your own research, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Wealth isn't built by chasing hype, it's built by making smart, consistent investments and holding them for the long term. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these 5 stocks do you think has the biggest upside? And if this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready for more stock market breakdowns. That could change your financial future.